Hello everyone. We all love food, right? Every food have particular flavor, texture and smell, making us drool on them. So here in this video, we will learn few words or adjectives that describes them in positive sense and also some negative words that are used to describe food that go bad. So let's begin, and our very first word is mouth watering. Mouth watering is a positive word which describes food which is highly attractive and tempting. Example, an eye-catching display of mouth-watering cakes and pastries at the cafe made us drool. Our next word is smoky. Smoky is a positive word which describes food that are similar to smoke in flavor or appearance. Example, the smoky aroma of the roasted coffee beans greeted me as I entered the cafe. Sizzling, another positive word which means food that is very hot and when they make sound of hissing and popping especially. Example, the sausages are sizzling in the pan. Appetizing, it means something that looks or smells delicious and increases one's desire to eat. Example, the appetizing aroma of freshly popped popcorn at the movie theater made it hard to resist buying a large packet. Bland. It is a negative word which means food not having a strong taste. Example, the soup was disappointingly bland, so I had to put some hot sauce in it. Burnt. Burnt means food which is destroyed or made black by fire or by heat. The burnt crust on the pizza made it difficult to enjoy, despite the delicious toppings. Rancid. Rancid are the food that taste or smell unpleasant because of not being fresh. Example, keep the curd in the refrigerator as it turns rancid quickly. Disgusting. It makes you feel as if you are going to vomit. The smell of rotten eggs are absolutely disgusting. Gamey. Food having a strong unpleasant flavor or smell are gamey food. Especially when we talk about certain types of meats. I was turned off by the turkey's slightly gamey flavor. Stale. This is our last word and a negative word also. It means food no longer fresh, usually as a result of being kept for too long. Like bread goes hard and stale very quickly. Hope you were able to learn some new words through this video. You can also share your words if you think are relevant to the food vocabulary. I'll be waiting. Thank you.